SEO for Beginners, the complete guide to ranking higher on Google. If you've ever wondered why some websites appear on the first page of Google while others remain invisible, the answer often comes down to search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO is one of the most valuable digital marketing skills you can learn. Whether you're a business owner, entrepreneur, blogger, marketer, freelancer, student, or content creator, understanding SEO can help you attract more visitors, generate qualified leads, and grow your online presence without relying entirely on paid advertising. The best part is that you don't need to be a technical expert or web developer to get started. This beginner-friendly guide explains SEO using simple language and practical examples. You'll learn how search engines work, why SEO matters, the different types of SEO, and the best practices to help your website rank higher on Google. What is SEO? Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the process of improving your website so that it appears higher in search engine results when people search for information, products, or services. The goal of SEO is to increase organic traffic, which means visitors who find your website naturally rather than through paid advertisements. For example, if someone searches for Best Digital Marketing Course, SEO for Beginners, AI Tools for Business, WordPress Website Design, Google analyzes millions of web pages and displays the most relevant and helpful results. SEO helps your website become one of those results. Why is SEO important? Every day, billions of searches are performed on Google. Most people never look beyond the first page of search results. If your website isn't visible, potential customers may never find your business. SEO helps you increase website traffic, reach the right audience, generate qualified leads, build trust and credibility, improve brand awareness, increase online sales, reduce advertising costs, achieve long-term business growth. Unlike paid advertising, good SEO can continue generating traffic for months or even years. How search engines work. Search engines like Google use three main processes. 1. Crawling. Google uses automated programs called crawlers or bots to discover new web pages. These bots follow links across the internet to find content. 2. Indexing. After discovering a page, Google analyzes its content and stores it in its search index. If your page isn't indexed, it won't appear in search results. 3. Ranking. When someone performs a search, Google's algorithm evaluates thousands of factors to determine which pages should appear first. The goal is to provide the most useful and relevant results. The three main types of SEO. 1. On-page SEO. On-page SEO focuses on optimizing the content and structure of individual web pages. This includes high-quality content, relevant keywords, optimized headings, meta titles, meta descriptions, internal links, image optimization, user-friendly URLs. 2. Off-page SEO. Off-page SEO involves activities outside your website that improve its authority. Examples include backlinks, brand mentions, social sharing, guest blogging, digital PR. High-quality backlinks remain one of Google's strongest ranking signals. 3. Technical SEO. Technical SEO ensures search engines can easily crawl and understand your website. Examples include fast loading speed, mobile-friendly design, HTTPS security, XML sitemap, robots.txt, structured data, clean site architecture. Understanding keywords. Keywords are the words and phrases people type into search engines. For example, SEO guide, best AI tools, WordPress tutorial, digital marketing course. Choosing the right keywords helps Google understand what your page is about. Focus on keywords that are relevant to your audience and match their search intent. Understanding search intent. Not every search has the same purpose. There are 4 main types of search intent. Informational. People want to learn something. Example, how does SEO work? Navigational. People are looking for a specific website. Example, Google Search Console. Commercial. People are researching before making a purchase. Example, Best SEO Tools. Transactional. People are ready to buy. Example, buy SEO course. Understanding search intent helps you create content that satisfies users. Creating high-quality content. Google rewards content that is helpful, original, accurate, and valuable. Good content should answer questions clearly, solve problems, be easy to read, include practical examples, stay up to date, demonstrate expertise. Avoid publishing content solely to target keywords. Always write for people first. Optimizing your titles. Your page title is one of the most important SEO elements. A good title should include your primary keyword, be descriptive, encourage clicks, stay around 50 to 60 characters. Example: SEO for Beginners, the complete guide to ranking higher on Google. Writing better meta descriptions. A meta description summarizes your page in search results. It should include important keywords naturally, explain the page clearly, encourage users to click, stay around 150 to 160 characters. Although meta descriptions are not a direct ranking factor, they can improve click-through rates. Using headings correctly. Organize your content with headings. Use 1 H1 heading, multiple H2 headings, H3 headings for subtopics. A clear structure makes your content easier to read and helps search engines understand it. Internal linking. Link related articles together. For example, your digital marketing guide can link to SEO for Beginners, Keyword Research Guide, Content Marketing Guide, AI for SEO, Google Analytics Guide. Internal links help users discover more content and assist search engines in understanding your website structure. Image SEO. Optimize every image by using descriptive file names, adding alt text, compressing images, choosing modern image formats, using appropriate dimensions. Images can also generate traffic through Google Images. Website speed. Fast websites provide a better user experience. Improve speed by compressing images, using caching, choosing quality hosting, reducing unnecessary plugins, optimizing CSS and JavaScript. Mobile SEO. Most Google searches now happen on mobile devices. Your website should be responsive, load quickly, use readable fonts, have easy navigation, avoid intrusive pop-ups. Local SEO. If you serve customers in a specific area, local SEO is essential. Optimize your Google Business Profile, business information, customer reviews, local keywords, location pages. Common SEO mistakes. Many beginners make these mistakes. Keyword stuffing, publishing thin content, ignoring mobile users, slow website speed, duplicate content, broken links, missing title tags, poor internal linking, buying low-quality backlinks, expecting instant results. SEO is a long-term strategy that rewards consistency and quality. Free SEO tools. Useful tools include Google Search Console, Google Analytics, Google Trends, Google Keyword Planner, Google Page Speed Insights, Google Rich Results Test, Bing Webmaster Tools, ChatGPT, Microsoft Designer, Google Gemini. How AI is changing SEO. Artificial intelligence is transforming SEO by helping businesses generate content ideas, improve keyword research, create content outlines, optimize metadata, analyze competitors, identify content gaps, improve productivity. However, AI should support your work, not replace human expertise, accuracy, and originality. Frequently asked questions. Is SEO difficult to learn? No. Beginners can learn the fundamentals quickly with regular practice. How long does SEO take? SEO usually takes several months to produce meaningful results, depending on your competition and content quality. Is SEO free? You don't pay Google to rank organically, but SEO requires time, effort, and sometimes investment in tools or professional services. Is SEO better than paid advertising? Both have advantages. SEO provides sustainable long-term traffic, while paid advertising can deliver immediate visibility. Many successful businesses use both strategies. SEO is one of the most powerful digital marketing strategies for attracting targeted visitors and building long-term online success. Rather than trying to manipulate search engines, focus on creating helpful content, providing an excellent user experience, and consistently delivering value to your audience. Google's goal is simple: connect users with the most useful information. If your content genuinely helps people, follows SEO best practices, and demonstrates expertise, you're far more likely to earn higher rankings over time. Remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient, keep learning, monitor your results, and continuously improve your content. The effort you invest today can continue generating traffic, leads, and business growth for years to come. Ready to improve your website's SEO? Learning SEO is the first step, but achieving consistent rankings requires the right strategy, ongoing optimization, and high-quality content. At Janice Training and Consulting, Janice helps businesses improve their online visibility through practical, results-driven SEO and digital marketing strategies. Services include SEO strategy and consulting, website SEO audits, keyword research, on-page SEO optimization, technical SEO, content strategy, AI for SEO, WordPress SEO, local SEO, digital marketing consulting, corporate training, one-to-one consulting. With over 25 years of experience in business development, sales, marketing, consulting, and professional training, Janice helps individuals, entrepreneurs, SMEs, and organizations build sustainable digital growth. Whether you want to increase website traffic, improve Google rankings, generate more qualified leads, or grow your business online, Janice can help you develop a customized SEO strategy aligned with your business goals. Explore more free tutorials, read expert articles, subscribe to the YouTube channel for practical digital marketing and AI tips, or contact Janice to discuss how training and consulting services can help accelerate your digital growth. Ready to grow your business online? Start your SEO journey today and build a stronger online presence with the right strategy, consistent effort, and continuous learning.